Alrighty class, now that we have your attention, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. I know it's Friday, so that's super exciting. So can everyone come quickly join us on the rug?
And bring your fact cards.
Yes, bring your
ID.
Yeah. If you need a problem, you can sit in the chair. You can bring a friend if you'd like.
Maybe our friends with a balcony. Yes, look at the balcony.
Is everyone ready? Thumbs up if you're ready. Alrighty, so today we're going to be learning a new thing called opinions. Yesterday we learned about facts, so today we're going to be learning about opinions. So we have two goals that we hope you guys will be able to do by the end of the lesson. The first one is that you'll be able to use a graphic organizer to state what your favorite season is and give 2 reasons why. And then our second goal is that you'll be able to categorize sentences based on whether they're opinions or facts. So if you guys ever forget what our goal is for the lesson, you can just look up on our board right here.
So, to start, we're going to play a little game called Rapid Sentence Time. So, when a sentence comes up on the board over here, you're going to hold up whether you think it is a fact or whether you think it is not a fact. So we're not going to say anything out loud, though. We're just going to hold up our cards, and I'll ask people randomly why they picked the card side that they did. So are we all ready? Thumbs up. Okay. I love ice cream. Why did you put that it was a fact?
Because I love ice cream.
So although you love ice cream, Abby may not like ice cream. So it's actually not a fact. But nice try.
I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't like ice cream.
Me too.
Yes, so that's why it's not a fact, because it makes my tummy hurt.
But good job. The best animal in the world is a monkey. Lori, why did you pick not fact?
Because I think the best animal in the world is a dolphin. So that's not true.
I like dolphins too.
Yes, Dr. Chambray.
The best animal in the world is my brother. Total animal.
The sun is bright yellow. Fact. Good job, everybody. Pizza is the best food. Why did you pick fact?
Because it is.
But what about me? I'm lactose intolerant, so
Well,
I don't
should
like
suffer
pizza.
because of you.
But
So-
a fact is something that's true.
No matter what.
Yeah.
Remember we learned that yesterday, is the fact that no matter what is true. So like the sun is yellow and the sky is blue, it doesn't change no matter what people think.
Right.
Well, I have a question. What is
Yeah.
truth?
You're a very insightful first grader.
GNT, baby.
Red, blue, and yellow are primary colors. Good job. Next. Broccoli is the grossest food ever. Good job. I think you have 1 or 2 more. You are in first grade. Why did you say not a fact?
I'm supposed to be in 3rd grade.
Oh, okay. Well, in this classroom, we're a first grade classroom, so you're actually in first grade, not 3rd grade. All right, so to review, good job with your cards, you can put them down. So to review what we learned yesterday in science, we're going to be going over what a season is, because remember yesterday we learned all about the 4 seasons. So a season is the 4 different times of year where the weather changes, and it's also important to remember that we wear different clothes depending on what season we're in. So who can raise their hand and tell me what one of the seasons are? Emily.
Fall.
Good job. Can anybody else?
Winter.
Great. What's something that you wear in the winter you don't wear in
A
the summer?
winter jacket.
A winter jacket. Good job. Who can give another one? Lori?
Spring.
Good job. And what about the last one? Jillian?
Summer.
What's something you wear in the summer that you don't wear in the winter?
Bathing suit.
Right, because you can go to the beach and swim in the summer. Good job. So as we go to the next slide, there's going to be 4 pictures up on the screen. So as I point to each picture, we're all going to say as a class which season it is, okay? Spring, summer, fall, winter. Okay, so we're going to say them all together one more time now that we all know what they are. So can everybody say spring, summer, fall, winter? Good job, everybody.
Dr. Chambray, why do you call it autumn?
Because in our G&T program, we learned the correct name for it. It's autumn. People just call it fall because the leaves fall down, but they're unintelligent if they do that.
Okay.
There are 2 different
So,
ways
yeah.
to say fall this season. It kind of just depends. Autumn is the correct way, but you
Neither
can
one
also
is
say
wrong.
fall. Yeah, neither are wrong. They're both fact.
You go through life and believe that.
Alrighty, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go over a little bit of the informative work that we did yesterday. So everyone did an informative writing piece about the season. So we all wrote facts about each season. So we love that Lori said that people go to the beach in the summer because it's the hottest time of the year. And we know that's a fact because no other season is hotter than summer because no one wants to go to the beach when it's cold, right? You can't go swimming. And then Abby said that winter is the coldest season. And we know that's a fact because there's no other time that the temperature is colder than in winter. Can anyone tell me something that happens in winter that doesn't happen in any other season? Yes.
No.
It snows. Good job. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go over the proper definition of an opinion before we go into an activity. So, Miss Cullen, what do you think an opinion is?
An opinion is a thought that varies between person and person.
Exactly. And that's why when we were doing our fact and not a fact cards, that's why some of us said that pizza was the best as food, and that's why that wasn't a fact, because some of us don't think that pizza is the best food, because it's a thought that varies between people. So what we're going to do now, we're going to split you guys up into 2 groups, and you guys are going to come up with 2 opinions on school lunches. So I'm going to give you each a number, and the ones are going to sit on this side of the room, the right side of the room, and then the 2s are going to sit on the other side of the room. All right, so once I give you a number, go ahead and go back to your seat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Dr. Chambray, you're a 2.
Fast card. 2s were that. Do you want to work on
Yeah. 2s are on this side.
over here with
2s
any-
are over there with Miss Collins, 1s are over here. All right. So you guys have to think about 2 opinions on school lunches.
All right,
And then you're
so
gonna
you
write
guys
it
are
down
gonna be
on the
given
board
these
or on the
2
sticky note. Put it on
Post-its, and once you guys come all together with 2 opinions, you're gonna write 1 on each card, and then
So what
when
do you
you're
think
done, you
about?
can bring it up and put it under our definition. Okay?
the 1s over here.
Exclamation point. Like what's your lunch you're talking about?
Like, I don't know, when we're gonna smell the smell.
I'm not even kidding.
Remember that it's about school lunches.
Good, that's an opinion, because some people might not like that, right?
School lunches
Like
are
Are yucky.
She's smart
I'm not like Steve who went for pizza.
Well, you heard 2 opinions, so you can do 1 on pizza, 1 on french fries, 1 on chicken nuggets.
You can write about a specific food.
I like the warm chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, those are good.
My mommy's lobbying.
Chocolate chip cookies are yummy.
We're not healthy. Food choice. They make them in applesauce.
Okay, we want to split them up.
They make
And then,
Alright, next one, come on, you put them on the board.
And that's what Dr. Shepherd
Alright, so now we're just gonna go over what you guys wrote. So this group over here said school lunches are yummy when we eat mac and cheese. So you guys like the mac and cheese, that's lunch? Nice. And school lunches are the best when they have breadsticks and pizza. So this other group said school lunch stinks and smells bad. And they also said, I like the school cookies. So great job, these are all opinions because what this group thought about school lunches could be different from what this group thought. And even within groups, you guys could have had different ideas. So good job.
Alrighty, so for the activity that we're going to be doing today, you guys are going to be completing a graphic organizer that will help you plan for the opinion piece that you're going to write tomorrow. So the graphic organizer is right here on the back of our chart. And you're going to be writing about your favorite season. So our topic is favorite season, and then you're going to have to provide 2 opinions on why you picked your favorite season. So we modeled here for you what a graphic organizer would look like. So Miss Cullen, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
And what is one opinion why your favorite season is summer?
Because I like going to the beach.
And you can't go to the beach at any other time of the year, right?
I can't, it's too cold.
And what's another opinion on why?
My birthday is in the summer, and that's always fun.
Who doesn't love their birthday? Alrighty, so this is what your graphic organizer would look like. And if you forget the directions, we're going to leave up our example graphic organizer on the board. And then there's also this chart up here if you need help. So you guys can go ahead and go back to your seats and then complete the graphic organizer. Yes, Dr. Schomburg. You don't have a favorite season? Do you have a season you like more than the other? Do you like all the seasons equally?
I don't like any of them.
Why don't you like any of them?
I'd rather live.
And when you're done with your graphic organizer,
In a bubble?
you can flip it over and draw a picture of anything from your favorite season on the back.
59. So that seems a bit like spring or fall because it's never 59 degrees in the summer, is it? Unless it's in the morning. Well, we don't live there. We live in the United States. Oh, okay. Well, what's your favorite season here while you're in the States?
I'd rather go back to Nova.
All right, so that's a good idea, but we're going to be picking our favorite season. So there has to be one you like more than the other.
When's your birthday?
Hey, Megan, can you mom this for her?
Oh, once. Can you give Sean
I already did.
Yeah.
You want complete sentences.
I would love a complete sentence.
So you can complete them?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Dear Lord.
You can put it on the iPad or you can complete it on the sheet, whichever
You
is
asked me
preferred.
to tell Steve. Well, yeah, we're just guilty.
And if you need any assistance with the iPad, just let us know. We'll be happy to help. It's fun. It's fun, yeah. And remember to flip it over and you can draw on the
And
back.
if your wrists are hurting and you need to type, we can draw a text box for you. Because you know how to do that.
I would draw the ocean. Oh, you're supposed to draw it?
Yeah, when you're finished.
If you
The
finish
fall.
early.
If you finish, actually, summer is
There could be icebergs.
In the Atlantic Ocean.
In Jersey, there's icebergs? There's a whales, man. You're not gonna see whales in the How do you know? At the
Yeah, when you're all finished, you can draw a picture on the back that happens in your favorite season until everyone is finished. All right, pencil down and eyes up when you're all finished. If you're not finished with your drawing, that's okay, as long as you're finished with the graphic organizer. Alrighty, so can anyone share with me what they wrote about their favorite season and 2 opinions why? Yeah, Jillian.
I like the summer because there is no school and it's my birthday.
That's a great reason why. Who can share another opinion? Yes, Steve.
Winter, so school gets canceled.
Oh, school gets canceled for snow days.
And I have a plow truck.
Yeah, you're
On my 4-wheeler.
okay. You like to plow driveways as a
He has
first
one.
grader. I love
That's
it.
great.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, everyone's not listening to Kara. Can we all focus and listen to our classmates? Thank you.
My favorite place is the pumpkin patch.
So, what's your favorite season?
Fall.
Fall, because you love to go to the pumpkin patch.
Yeah.
So does everyone see how these are all opinions? Because some people, like Dr. Chambray, doesn't like pumpkins. So she doesn't like to go to the pumpkin patch, so she doesn't really like fall. So that's why all of these statements are opinions because they vary depending on people.
Okay, so for our exit ticket today, you're going
If
to.
you want to, or you can.
Is everyone paying attention? For our exit ticket, we're going to say, what is the best school lunch, and we have 1 opinion why. So I know in our graphic organizer we wrote down 2 opinions, but for our exit ticket, we're just gonna write 1, okay? And then you can flip it over, and we'll all get ready to go to art. And raise your hand if you have any questions.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, finish up and then we're gonna actually go over our exit tickets together. We're gonna call on a few people for volunteer. All right, who wants to share what their best school lunch is and their opinion why? Kira?
I like pizza because I like cheese.
Oh, okay, nice. The pizza is good. Kara?
Popcorn chicken because I like ketchup.
Is there any other food you can put ketchup on besides popcorn
Yeah.
chicken?
Everything. So I like it.
Oh, you put it on everything?
Yep.
Even cereal?
Sometimes.
Yeah, maybe.
Do you have one more? Yes?
I like my mommy's lunch the best because I can't eat any of the lunches in the school because they're not kosher.
Okay, yeah, a school lunch, I mean, that could be just any lunch that you had in the school. So it can be from home, I know a lot of people do bring their lunches, but some people buy their lunches. So it really just depends on what happens with you, so you can have either.
What's their favorite thing that your mommy packs you
Yeah.
for lunch?
Crumbs lunch.
What's that?
It's fat, potato starch, chopped up potatoes and onions. You saute it, you add a little bit more potato starch, some onions, peppers, make it to a little ball.
Oh, sounds really good.
I also like jalapes.
Oh.
Maybe
Nice.
you
can
can
tell
bring
us
one
all
in.
about that later.
Maybe. But my mom doesn't make the jalapes.
Oh. Alrighty, so does anyone have a picture from their seasons that they'd like to share from the back? Yeah, Brooke?
I do.
Oh,
Bikini.
wow,
On
is
the
that
beach.
next to the beach? That looks amazing. I wish that it was sunny now. Yeah, Teresa? A pumpkin was your favorite season, fall?
Yeah.
Oh, so you like to go to the pumpkin patch just like Kara does.
I love Halloween.
And you love
That is a
Halloween.
fun holiday.
Alrighty guys, so
Good
just to
job
wrap up,
today.
who can tell us what the difference between a fact and an opinion is? Yeah, Emily.
A fact is something that never changes.
A fact is something that doesn't change, good, no matter who you are. So if you ask anyone, they'll say on a sunny day, the sky is what color? Blue. And the grass in the summer is always green. If it's watered, it's green. So we always have to remember that a fact is always something that doesn't change no matter who you are, no matter what you think. And an opinion varies differing on people. Yeah, Jillian? Okay. Did you want to share what an opinion was?
Yeah,
What's an opinion?
something that you think.
Yep, so it's an idea that you think that varies depending on people. Alrighty guys, you can pack up and head
Good
to
job.
our
Nice work today.